Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes ninth class. Ninth class we are reading part B unit 2nd digital documentation. In digital documentation we had written how to open a new page in MS Word, how to print it, how to close it. But now we are reading how to work on it. So our new topic is editing a document. Editing text means making correction to it and manipulating it such a manner that would lead to the desired process. Include inserting, deleting, copy, move, find and replace a particular text in a document. It will come in the editing, means whatever we are going to do, means inserting, copy, paste, formatting, it will come in the editing. Undo and redo, all of you are familiar with these things. Undo and redo known as last action and reverse of last action. If you are going to work and your work is become wrong, so we can use it undo. It will change your work again, means you come on the last, but you feel this is not good thing, your last work is good, then you can use it redo. Your last work undone by the redo, means जिसको आपने undo से हटाया था वो redo से वापस आ जाएगा. Control plus Z is used for undo and Control plus Y is used for redo. Next thing, selecting text. How to select a text? If you want to select a word, single word, then you need to double click in the first of the word. If you want to select a sentence, hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence. Paragraph, triple click anywhere in the paragraph or double click the left margin of the paragraph. A large block of the text, if you want to select it, click at the beginning of the text, press the shift key and without releasing it, click at the end of the text, means you need to start from first point to last point. Entire document, you can click it Control plus A. This is the entire document. Consecutive text, bring the mouse pointer to the desired location and click. Hold down the shift key and click at the end of the required text, means you are next. Non-consecutive text, bring the mouse pointer to the desired location and hold down the control key and drag to the select the word. Then select some text using the drag option, means if you want to select any data after leaving something, after using something, then we need to click on in this. Last but not the least, a vertical block of text. We are going to select a vertical block, so we need to click on the first and after that we need to click through the Alt key. In editing, our next topic is copy and paste the text. All of you are familiar with the copy and paste. If you want to copy your text, first of all we need to select our text and after that we need to just click on the copy and we need to click anywhere and then we need to click on the paste. We can use it through three modes. First of all, if you want to select it from the copy, then you can select our copy and click on the home tab. There is clipboard, you can click on clipboard. After that you can click on paste from the clipboard and our data will be pasted. Second thing, first of all we need to select our data, then use Control plus C and after that anywhere you want to paste it, press Control plus V, our data will be pasted. Next thing, first of all select the text and after that right click from the mouse, there is a copy option, you can select it and after that wherever you want to paste it you can use paste. Same like moving the text, it is also same, it is used to create our data. There is a single difference between copy and move. Copy, whenever you are doing copy, it will create two copies. First of all original and second is duplicate. But whenever we are working on the move, it will create only one copy. It will change the location from one place to another place. This feature allows us to change the position of the selected text from one place to another place. It will also work from three types. First of all, same as whatever you want to cut it, you need to first of all select it, then go on the home tab, there is a cut option, you click on this, your data will be gone. After that you want to press it you need to click on the paste option. Your data will be come anywhere. Next position, first of all you need to select it, then click on the Ctrl plus X. It is the shortcut key of cut. After that, wherever you want to paste it, you need to click it Ctrl plus V. Last method, first of all you need to select your data. After that, you need to click right key from the mouse. After that, we have a cut option, you need to select it, and after that, wherever you want to paste it, you need to click paste option from the right click. Next point in our editing, find and replace. Find and replace means we has typed a full document, we want to change some data like MAN is a word and we want to change it from the MEN. So we need to use it from the find and replace option. Through the find option, we will check out wherever our MAN. In all page we have a MAN, it will open, and after the replace we can change it from the MAN to MEN. So finding test, how we are starting to find? First of all, click on the home, and after that editing group. In this we have find option. In find option, we need to give a search option. In the find option, wherever we are going to write what is our word, whenever we write our word, it will show all word in our document. Like we are writing MAN, then we have MAN everywhere in our document, it will show us. After that, we need to use replacing text. Replacing text is used to replace the text from MAN to MEN, means we are going to change our data. In this dialog box, it will show how we are working on the replace dialog box. In this we have find what, we are finding MAN, and after that replace with, we are replaced with MEN. So wherever our MAN is entered, it will correct by the MEN. We need to click on replace word, and it will replace the word. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe. We will read in next class.